Motorola and Verizon are betting so strongly for 5G, they are trying to sell a 4G phone today with the promise of extremely fast 5G speeds that do not yet exist. Last week, the wireless and handset maker joined in Chicago to announce the Moto Z3, and Verizon exclusive in the first phone that can be upgraded to 5G when Verizon turns on its first 5G networks in early 2019. When it inserts a 5G modular accessory, Motorola says its Z3 phone will deliver data 10 times faster than other 4G LTE devices at speeds of up to 5 Gbps 5 gigabits per second. But the Moto Z3 is not just a 5G phone. It will not be suddenly metamorphosed from a 4G phone into a 5G butterfly. The second Verizon network will be available. At this time, the Z3 only contains the appropriate technology to access 4G data speeds. On the contrary, the Moto Z3 will reach speeds of 5G only through the 5G Moto Mod that consumers can buy not before the beginning of next year. The Moto Z3 is just another 4G phone, but one with magnetic pins that seamlessly connect to a variety of mods, from battery packs and portable speakers to a variety of colorful backs.